Paul Agner, AGCO Application Equipment Product Specialist. Now we're going to go through a few of your critical daily checks that you want to perform before you get out and start operating. One of the checks that we want to do before we get out and start running is make sure that we get any residual water out of the air tanks. Then we want to verify that our hydraulic oil is between the add and the full mark. On the chassis, we want to make sure that we're greasing the kingpins and the suspension components, including the rear anti-roll bar. Under the hood, we want to check the primary air filter, as well as checking the oil and fuel water separator, especially if you have that secondary. And then we want to make sure that the coolant level is also at the proper level. The chassis fuses are located in the cab on the right-hand side. 4 quick screws will remove the panel. On the system, the fuses are located in the power box on the front side, the decal inside the cover. We want to make sure that we're also greasing the boom fold and breakaway mechanism.